Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook a beautiful Koch style duck recipe known as Haangshu Peken Jara Jaba. In this recipe, the duck broth is prepared with vegetables, condiments and flavored by this beautiful tangy fruit known as citric Macroptera, which is locally available in the region around autumn. The recipe is really simple and I'm sure you'll love it too. And now let's check out the ingredients. Duck, green chilies, salt, ginger paste, tomato, potato, coriander leaves and citric Macroptera. But before we start cooking, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you never miss an update. Take your jara tenga, rinse the fruit and grate the zest and keep aside. Now cut the fruit into half. De-seed, otherwise it will give an unpleasant bitter taste. And squeeze the juice. Take a deep pan, add your duck meat pieces, slit green chilies, sliced tomato, ginger paste, potato halves, jara tenga juice and zest, and salt as per taste. Now add 3 cups of water, stir, cover and cook it for 90 minutes on a low flame. Gently stir the dish occasionally in between. Once your meat is tender, add little ginger paste and your freshly chopped coriander leaves. Let them cook together for 5 more minutes. And here you go, our Haangshu Peken Jara Jaba is ready. The duck is succulent, the gravy is savory and the flavor from the jara tenga is to die for. And it has beautifully amalgamated with the other vegetables without overpowering each other. I hope you enjoyed this recipe with your family and friends and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And now it's time for me to dig in.